Let's do a quick room tour. So actually, nandito ako sa balcony. So, sa area na ng labas ng room namin. Nasa second floor kami. But they call it first floor. Ang ground floor nila is yung ground floor. First floor pa din to. So, pagpasok dito, let's go inside. That's the bed. Na ang saya kasi meron. Oh, welcome chocolate. Ayan. Kainin natin yan mamaya. So, may couch dito sa tabi na I think nako-convert to sa sofa bed. And then, ang ganda ng mga windows. Look at the window. Yan. Then, may cabinet. May cabinet here. Na table here. So, meron na tayong proper makeup area. Cabinet again. And then, let's go sa bathroom. Merong bathtub. That's the shower. Then, ang laki ng sink. And if you're going to use the toilet, you have a little view here. Yan. Hindi ko lang alam paano ba siya buksan. Baka masira ako pa siya. Huwag na nating buksan. Pero yan yung view mo. Ito na yung labas. Yan. Ang linis ng water. Kitang-kita hanggang ilalim, guys. Gusto ko mag-swimming. So, baka maging yellow ako. Ka-swim ko si, si Happy Feet.
Naging Ice Age.
May tumutunog doon. Parang, hindi ko alam kung anong meron doon. Pero, so, ang good news dito is free yung bus namin and boat within Interlaken area. Bigay siya ng hotel. So, kasama na yun doon sa binayaran mo. So, ang laking convenience nun, di ba? Imagine mo, like ngayon, gusto namin bumili ng something, pupunta kami ng Interlaken area ulit, hintay lang namin yung bus, and papakita namin yung card, and then free na. And we can even get discounts daw sa mga shops, like shopping, ganyan, and mga iba pa, like groceries. Kaya, ipapakita natin yung powerful na card natin. So, this is the card. Bigay siya ng hotel namin. And, ayan, kita mo bus and mga small ferries. Pwedeng-pwede ka nang pumasok ng walang bayad. So, no need to pay. Pero, nakalagay dito, free ride for boat, Newhouse, Interlaken West, second class. Free ride for public bus, Interlaken, and to train station. So, diba? Yan. Ang galing. So, kung pupunta kayo dito ng Interlaken or ng Switzerland, malaking tipid na yun. Tignan nyo siya, para siyang naglalakad sa movie. Ang ganda. Opa!
Pero pag dito rin ako nakatara ng paraglide.
Yan na yung magiging hobby natin. Mag-paraglide. Eh, no, nakikita niyo sila.
Ano, umiikot siya.
Ang galing nga eh.
Oh my God.
Ang galing.
Bubbles.
Naman. Good morning. So, it's 7 o'clock in the morning na dito sa Switzerland. And kung makikita nyo, wala pang kahit na anong araw. Matagal lang gabi nila dito. But, good thing about this hotel is that ang daming food. So, may granola, fruit station, egg, hard-boiled egg, cheese. Wow, sarap na mga cheese. So, andyan lahat. May Gruyere, may kung ano-ano. Hindi ko na alam kung anong pag-pronounce ng iba. Then, fresh fruits and fruit juices. Water. Ano to? Oh, pancakes. Sige, kuha ka na, babe. Yan ang mga nakuha niya. Pancake. Ano to? This is egg and chicken sausage. I think yun ang kakainin ko. And this mixed veggies and rosti. They're hash brown. What else? What else? We have a full spread of my yogurt, butter, mga cheese pa, mga hams, and damakmak. And more gulay. And on this side, mga ano. Yan. Dami. Oat milk and cold milk. Yan. Homemade cake, mini whatever, chocolate croissant, butter croissant, and more bread. Ang dami. And you have tea and coffee over here. So, pipindutin mo na lang yan. And pwede mo daw i-adjust to. Depende sa size ng iyong cup. Coffee muna tayo. So, we got the rosti, pancake, sausage, egg. And may dalawang bread. Ito, chocolate croissant. And water. Medyo nagmamadali ako ngayon kasi may activity ako.
Water?
Ay, water. Coffee pala to. Ano ba yan? So, today is a very, very special day because I booked something na dream ko talagang gawin. And magkahiwalay kami ng activity ni Pay today kasi nagawa na niya to somewhere else. Kaya ako, sabi ko, just do whatever you wanna do. So, meron siyang ibang gagawin na activity. So, syempre, para mas ma-maximize din namin yung time namin here sa Switzerland. Syempre, mas pinili namin na kung ano yung mas gusto namin gawin. And, it's a good day today. Kita nyo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng weather. Malamig, pero tolerable. Nakadoble na ako ngayon. And, I'm so happy na hindi umulan kasi hindi matutuloy yung gagawin ko if umulan. Kaya, sana ganyan lang. At sana dumating na yung bus ko kasi baka malate na ako.
Let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint.
So, I made it to the meeting place. Hindi pa naman ako late. Pero, tumawag na sila sa akin kasi ang haba na nilakad ko. Tsaka, girl, sobrang nakakalose yung pores ko dito. Ang lamig! So, this is the company outdoor. And apparently, marami pa pala silang mga activities ino-offer. And they have partnered with Klook. So, I booked this activity via Klook. And actually, I'm so excited kasi nga, it's my first time. And it's very special kasi dito ko sa Switzerland gagawin itong dream activity na to. jumpsuit na ako. Nagkasya ako sa mall. Sa small. And then after this, we're going there for the briefing. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung pwede pa magdala ng camera. Pero I think I'll risk it. So yun, goodbye na. Hindi na sila pwede. Hindi na daw pwede yung camera. No phones, no whatever. So, I'll leave you here. Look at those views. Sobrang lamig. Grabe. And we're waiting for our turn. Nailagay yung ilagay na yung parang harness sa akin. So, we're waiting for our plane. Plane namin is plane number 3. And ito na, naka-jumpsuit na. And then may gloves din. And then yung harness is mamaya, nalagyan na nila kapag bago umakyat. And ang maganda dito is, grabe, imagine niyo, nandito ka pa lang sa baba, ito na yung view na makikita mo. You'll see that view. So, what more kapag nandoon ka na sa pinakalas? Parang ka nag-yossi. So, malamig talaga siya. It's super duper duper cold. And, we'll just wait for a train. But apparently, I can't bring my camera there anymore. Kaya, hanggang dito na lang. And, but nag-purchase ako ng, photos and video. Parang photo and video package na handheld ng aking katandem. It's 170 Swiss francs. So, hindi pa siya kasama doon sa na-purchase ko sa Klook. Kasi sa Klook is just the jump itself and the activity. So, ito. Ayun na yung first batch. Yan yung sasakyan ko later pagkatapos nila. So, we need to wait for our turn. Tingnan natin kung paano siya tata. Ayun. Nag-U-turn siya. Ang cute. Merong mga animals doon. May cows. Iba-ibang color sila. May light, may brown, may light brown. Harness is on. Wow.
Yeah, after this, life will never be the same again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, seriously, because I used to love going to fun parks and stuff like that as well. And after I started doing this sport,
Yan, after nyan, kami na. Sila yung mga kasabay ko, 4 kami.